Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to get 100% free administrator certifications 2025 from the Cribl University Training and Badges. So Cribl is the offering free certification for the below courses. So these are the three courses they are providing the certifications, free certifications. So Cribl certified user, Cribl certified admin stream, Cribl certified admin edge. So these three certifications we can get from the Cribl University. So let me open the Cribl University. So this is the URL and go to your Cribl certified and there is a this is a Cribl certified user. So level 1 4 to 7 hours it will take. Type is the online or self study and prerequisites is none. Then go for the stream certification admin stream. So this is a level 2. It's need before complete you the first certification, that is the Cribl certified user certification, then only you can go through this. So next is age is there level 2. This also need the CC user certification. CC is the Cribl certified user certification, then only you can go there. And Cribl certified engineer, this is coming in September 2025. When it will come, I'll let you know. Okay. And this one is the for partner only, CCSC. So CCSC certification program. This is a Cribl certified service consultant. This is you need the prerequisite CC user, CC admin stream, and CC admin A. This is only for the partner. So we are going to access these three certifications now. These three. And about the program, Cribl certified voucher. You can go through that and so about the Cribl awesome training, but ready to all. You can go through that, you watch out, and step by step process you can go and create an account first. Always free, forever valuable. So create an account, then sign in, then go through the step by step process. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free administrator certifications 2025 from the Cribl University training and badges. So these are the three certification. Hope for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe YouTube channel for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.